Hi trading superstars, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and oh my gosh, the Bitcoin price is exploding, guys. We just had the highest Bitcoin price of this year and we are pumping, guys. We continue to pump, and I want to congratulate each and every single one of you who watched the last videos where I announced trades, like, you know, I announced this short trade here, then long trade here, for example, here another entry, guys, and we are making so much money all together, and congrats, guys. I also want to show you this trade here, for example, you know, Bitcoin, you know, my entry price here is below 41k. You know, I opened this position at around 20k, you know, and I always, you know, scaled it up, and you know, then at some important, you know, resistance levels, I always take some chips off the table, so I realize some profits, then I scale up again. And in case you're wondering, you know, 58x leverage, basically, you know, once you are above, once your trade is in a profit, guys, you can even use, let's say, 80x leverage, because you cannot get liquidated anymore. Okay, but if you want to know this more in detail, check out cryptodealers.com. The courses explain everything. And of course, I have a bunch of altcoin trades open here, guys. And yeah, and if you also want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. Okay, so let's continue, guys. If you open this long trade, yeah, I announced this, this is now about, let's say, yeah, not even 1 week ago, then you are in a profit as of right now of around 15%, almost 16%, guys. And congrats, guys, because I gave you so many entry points. Even, you know, I said if you're standing on the sideline, once we break above this orange line, you can still enter long trade. And guys, yes, it's just amazing. So you can see here, until now, the yearly high, I mean, the highest price of this year was here. We can even go to the 4-hourly time frame. We had it in January, yeah. This one candle here, as you can see, the high was 49,048, yeah. And this candle now, you can see the high here was 50k, guys. Here, this one 50k, and the next one, the high 50k. So we had exactly $50,000, guys. Okay, that's amazing. And let's also talk about the Bitcoin dominance in a couple of minutes, guys, because it's very important now. What are the next resistance levels? Yeah. Volume wise, this year there's not much to show, because it's some time ago that the Bitcoin price was that high. So we have resistance levels here. The next one at 51.2k around, then the next one at around 52k, and then at around, let me show you the next one at around 53.2, and then at around 55k, guys. Okay, so these are the levels to watch. But of course, let's switch to the hourly time frame, because even on the 4-hourly, you can see the RSI is a bit overbought already. Yeah. So let's go to the hourly time frame. As you can see here, we had some kind of cool down phase. This is actually exactly what I said in my last video. Yeah, the RSI has to cool down when it is in the overbought territory. So we had this cool down phase, and now another move to the upside. You can see we were trading exactly around the support level, and now we just had a nice move to the upside, a nice pump, guys. Yeah, so we're making more and more profits. So if you're now standing on the sideline, guys, I mean, since we just had this pump, yeah, I would at least wait until the RSI. You see, we are getting in the overbought territory again. If we reach these price levels again, I guess we could see some kind of cool down, yeah. And then when we see the next move to the upside, then you could potentially enter a long position again, guys. But congrats if you are in long trades since much lower price levels. Okay, so let's also talk about the Bitcoin dominance, because we are reaching some important level here. Because as you can see here, this here marks the range low, and up here, of course, this is the range high. Okay, and at the moment we are getting closer and closer to reach this range high, which could mean yeah, maybe we see a little kind of resistance. But anyway, I mean, the RSI has to cool down also price wise, and maybe then we see another pump, because we already had a huge pump. But guys, you never know, because let's say if the huge ETFs continue buying more Bitcoins, this could of course lead to another pump to the upside. So let's also talk about Ethereum, because I also told you guys, you can enter a long trade. I mean, we are in long trades since much lower price levels. Yeah, if you watched my last videos, or I mean, we are since below 2k. Yeah, we are I guess the entry price was around $1,600. We are in long trades. But I showed you also a couple of other entry levels, guys, in the last videos. For example, if you break above this here, if you break above this here, for example, this one was just around 1 week ago, not even 1 week ago, and if you enter this long trade, then you are in a profit of around 10% as of right now. So with the 100k position, 10k profit, with the 300k position, 30k profit, and so on, guys. Yeah. If you're standing on the sideline, I mean, as you can see here, we had the cool down of the RSI, yeah, and now we are reaching the overbought territory again. So if you're not in a long trade right now, guys, I would definitely, I would say, wait for a little bit of cool down. Also, that the RSI goes down again, like here, and then we might see another move to the upside. Resistance levels, I can show you. I mean, we had already quite high prices this year. As you can see, let's go to the 4-hourly here. The high here was $2,717, yeah. So we are still below this price level, and this was on the 12th January, yeah. So there's still some potential just to reach the same price again. Let's say this would be another move to reach a 217, yeah, around 6.5%. And yeah, we could of course go even higher, guys. And the next levels to watch at the moment we have here, at the moment we are testing some resistance at 2,556. Next one at 2,620, at around 2,620, and then $2,750. Yeah, so there's some room to the upside, guys, of course. Yeah? So let's see if we reach this one. This would be a move of almost 8% as of right now, guys. So yeah, we are making a lot of money together, guys, and yeah, congrats. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you